Wait, I'm finished. Then you cut the other side. Hey guys, what's up, you guys? How are you?
So you want to unbox this pot?
Okay.
I don't know the color.
Okay.
But
So
let me see.
okay, hold on. We'll talk one by one. So I have 10 pieces fancy sets of this pot to unbox. So let's do that. Okay. These are the lids. First, let me remove the first one, and then.
Mommy, wow! Mommy, this Mommy, so this one also.
Okay guys, so yeah, this is a frying pan. This one is the frying pan. And these are more leaves. Oh, bring that to the top. This is the biggest of the pots. Something fell there, bring it for me. This is the frying pan. I don't know why frying pan should not have. This is the smallest of the pots. Second to the biggest. This is the middle. And this is the smallest. Yeah. So yeah, I have how many sets? 1, 2, 4 sets of pots plus frying pan. 1. And then these are the lid stuff. So I'm gonna be screwing them in. Glass lid. Basically, so now I've resumed buying pots. I'm definitely gonna be buying more pots. So get ready for seeing my different sets of cookware. Basically going to buy different sets, different styles, different colors. Okay, getting ready to decorate my kitchen with beautiful pots. So yeah, basically
remove this pot.
so I got this wooden spoon. I also got this fanciful crater. So yeah, I bought my cup. I've been meaning to buy this cup in the color blue, but I saw it today and I decided to buy it in the color pink. And then last but not the least, I got this beautiful, very beautiful kettle, whistle kettle. It comes in a well, oh my god, well packaged. It comes with this company, House Roland, Germany design. Yep. So yeah, this design looks like. It's very pretty. Hold on, I'm not showing you first. This is that it looks like very pretty, and it has a very beautiful wooden handle. It's a whistle kettle. Open here. Basically. So yeah, this cost a whole lot, but I just have to buy it because I need something very fanciful. But not in this particular color. However, since it is in the basket that I got it, I just have to buy the one that is available. However, do you like this color? I like it, gray, light gray. I like it, but I wanted red or orange, red or lemon green. Yeah, but I'm still definitely going to be buying that. So basically, okay, the last thing I got is this sauce spoon. Okay, and my straw in the cup. So I wanted to buy this cup from Temu, but since Temu has disappointed me these days, I said no, I'm not gonna buy it. So I bought it in the market, and it's the same price. Like, this is even cheaper, right? Because I don't have to wait and all of that. This is cheaper. So those are the kitchen utensils that I got for this time. Definitely gonna be buying more. I wanted to buy more today, but I just said, okay, let me just buy this few today, and I'll buy again on my birthday. Hey, what's up, guys? So it's another unboxing, you guys. This chapter is basically for kitchen. I want to make sure that I have some kitchen beautiful current day utensils, definitely. So let me do small unboxing. So this one is actually not for kitchen. We needed this because our iron got burnt, and now, so I got this new LG iron. Yeah. I mean, I have to plug it if I want it. Because sometimes when I want to go out with my kids, their clothes may be rumpled, I need to like iron it. So another is this. Oh, I hope it's not the color.
Oh,
I wish it was this color. I love it more. But anyways,
it's white.
so this is kitchenware set. Oh yeah, kitchenware set. Okay. What? He brought black for me.
Too black.
I don't want black.
I don't like black.
No, this is not what I wanted.
Pink.
I wanted a colorful something, not black.
Mommy, I want that pink. So I want that. Mommy, that.
Yeah, this is black, obviously. I'm gonna call her to come back and collect it. Come. Hi, you guys. You bought me something?
Yes.
Hi, you guys. Look how you're looking at beautiful, pretty animal. I put it. You know when you're fine, come in, darling. When you're fine, you'll just be like, oh, okay, babe, are you seeing me? Like, did you see all this beauty? My staff is telling me I'm looking fine. You know, tell me, come, darling, come and stay like this.
Okay.
Come and hold this thing. Are you not seeing that I'm fine?
You're looking beautiful.
Okay, so.
Jeez.
No, that's good.
I see you're showing inside. I should video you too.
Yeah, everybody. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Pass on that. Okay, so what's with the gifts?
Okay.
guys, how are you guys doing? Okay, so the other time I said I was not going to buy something from Temu, but again, I've already ordered this, you know, prior to when I said I was not going to buy anything from Temu, but they brought it, and this particular time the delivery girl stressed me a whole lot. Anyways, let's do unboxing. Honestly, from the package, this is honestly what I ordered versus what I got. This is definitely not what I. So first of all, this, Jesus Christ, it's that small. I mean, when you see Temu decoration, when you see decoration on Temu app, you will look and like say, oh, it's fine, and then when they bring it, it will not be what you ordered. This was supposed to be like a fish. Okay, I'm not gonna order anything again. This is a decoration. I'm supposed to put it here like this, yeah, and then plug this one to light, and then it comes out. I hope it does comes out. It will come out sharp, but it's looking smaller than what I expected, and I hope this is going to reach. Therefore, just put like a switch. Yeah, why do I have to put it inside charger? So I have to come and buy separate charger for this. Yeah, this is not what I wanted. This is what I ordered.
I think this thing should have a charger. Maybe they removed it.
I'm not sure, because this thing is too small to.
Wow.
It may. Anyway, this is the decoration that I got, and it brought for me. And then, oh, this is another one. Hey, it's too small. What is this? And when you see it, you be like, oh, it's cheap. I beg. I'm going to go market to go buy my things. Yeah. This is another decoration that I thought it was going to. Oh, wow. It's too small now. Look at. This is too small. Not even reach my palm. I not reach my palm complete. This is my palm. This is where I stop. It's too small. It's not what I expected. And this was supposed to be a flower vase. In fact, I bought a flower thinking that, thank God, I've been meaning to buy all this flower vase, but I've been postponing. Thank God I didn't buy it. But now I bought this, and this is what it brought for me. Like, just my hand. Therefore, they use hand, they measure this thing. Like they could use person hand or phone, just like they used phone and measured this one. I knew it was going to be this length, but I was thinking it's going to, like the fish is going to stand on its own. This was supposed to be a flower vase. What am I going to put here now? What do I put inside? Maybe I'll just keep it and use it and do decoration. Because which flower? I'm not happy these days. Someone is doing me dirty. They're doing me dirty. I'm not happy at all. Anyways.